Hello everyone, greetings from PayTabs technical support team. In this series, you will learn how to integrate with PayTabs through our PT2 API endpoints. Throughout the series, we will walk you through the second integration type, which is the invoices. And for the purpose of this series, we have created a very simple Laravel project to walk you through the integration process. But feel free to follow the steps in this series with your own project, whatever the programming language or the frameworks used to integrate with PayTabs. So, let's get started. In this video, we are going to learn how we can initiate a CVV only required payment, which is one of the token-based transactions. So, let's get started. The first thing you should know is that you can find the full documentation for this part inside PayTab's support portal under the article called the Invoices APIs Integration Manual. Now, inside the integration manual over here and under step 3, you will find the next type of using your token is payment with safeguard token or CVV required. So, in this case, we are not initiating a recurring payment, we are initiating a normal payment, which is only a CVV required payment. And we are doing that by creating the token that we learned in the previous video. And after that, we are passing the token, but this time we are using our normal transaction class, which is the hosted transaction class, and the ecom transaction class. So in this case, actually, you will see that we will not change the transaction class. We will only use the normal hosted payment page, but this time we will only pass the token to it. So as you can see, I have created a simple hosted payment page. At first, let's create or tokenize the payment together. So I'm going to generate an invoice and I will use this payload over here, the invoice payload. Of course, I will pass the tokenized parameter to it in order to create the token. Now let's fill out this payment. I will pay it, move to the payment page. And just like that. Now I suppose to have the token over here. Now I can use this token and this transaction reference to initiate a payment. You can save this token along with the customer detail or along in your database, and you can use it along with anything you want. Now I'm going to take this token. I'm going to get back to my code over here and to my hosted payment page. Let's say over here. Yes, I'm going to generate a simple payment page using a hosted payment page payload. I'm going to pass the token like that. Actually, we didn't copy it well. Let's copy it. And again, you will receive the token inside the return response and also inside the callback response, as you can see here. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it over here. I'm going to save. Now I have another page over here to initiate a simple hosted payment page, but this time, I messed up the domain. Let's just write it out again. Just a simple payment page. I will fill out my customer details and I will choose PayTabs. I'll proceed to payment, and as you can see here, as long as I have passed the token, so your customer is not required to enter anything rather than his CVV, and the payment will be done successfully. We can see over here, if we go into the callback, we have a new transaction created, a very normal authentication transaction that is only requested your customer to fill out his card CVV. Now, this was one of the token-based transactions, which is the CVV required transaction, and now we can move to the next part.